Hi, it's me, Mac. Today, I'm going to show you how to work through a story exercise in Word Warm-Ups Live. Word Warm-Ups teaches you how to crack the secret code of reading by teaching you word patterns. I start at the Read Live homepage and click the Student button. Then on the Login page, I enter the account number, user ID, and password that my teacher gave me, and I click Login. From here, I click this button to get to Word Warm-Ups Live.
Please select an exercise.
Before you work on the story, you should do the word list exercises in the review. There are other videos where I tell you how to do them. To start the story exercise, just click Story.
Look at the story, A Pet Pig. Notice the short vowel in many of the words in this story.
Click Start Readalong and read along as the story is read to you.
The first step in the story exercise is the read-along step. Reading along with the professor helps me learn new words, make fewer mistakes, and read with expression. My teacher, Miss Clark, says that I need to look at the words closely, listen to them carefully, and read them aloud correctly, all at the same time. The number of stars under the picture shows how many times I have to read along. If you already work and read naturally live, you probably know how to do this step, but I'll show you just in case. I click the Start Read Along button and then read the story along with the professor.
Dogs and cats are common pets. You probably know that just don't let it hog the bed.
Click Start Readalong to read along, or click Next to continue.
When I finish a read-along, a star turns gold. When all the stars are gold, I can move on. Miss Clark only had me do one read-along, so I'm ready to click Next.
Click Start Reading and begin reading. Click the words you don't know to hear them read to you. Click Finished Reading when you finish reading the story.
The next step is practice. This is where you read the story without the professor. I click the Start Reading button and read the story out loud, but not too loud. Dogs and cats are common pets. You probably know that rabbits and hamsters can be pets too. This step is a little different than practice and read naturally live. Here, you aren't timed, and you don't have to meet a goal. You just have to read the whole story the number of times your teacher set for you. The stars tell you how many to do. A lot of words in the story use the same patterns you've learned in the word list exercises, so you can figure out some of them by using the patterns to sound out the words. But some of the words are harder. If you don't know one, you can click it to hear what it says.
Learn.
When I get to the end, I click Finished Reading.
Click Start Reading to practice, or click Next to continue.
I finished the only practice I have to do. See, there's only one star, and it's already gold, so I can click Next now. After you read the story, you take a little quiz.
Click each blank and pick the best answer. Then, click Next.
I just read the sentence, click the blank, and pick the right answer to finish the sentence. Try to fill in all the blanks with the right words. Or on the past step, your teacher may send you back to redo the ones you missed. The story is right here, so you can look back at it if you need to. Once I fill in all the blanks, I click Next.
Play this game while you wait for your teacher. Click the best answer to score points. If there's a speaker icon, click it. Click any word or picture you don't know to hear what it is.
The red bars mean I have to wait for my teacher to listen to me read the story. While I'm waiting, I play Phontastic. The game works the same as in the word list exercises, so I'll just remind you what to do. There are different kinds of questions. If there's a speaker icon, click it to hear the word.
Odd.
I can click any of the words in the question or answers if I don't know them.
Beginning.
Click the circle to pick the answer.
Click Next to try another question.
You get points if you get it right, but you lose points if you get it wrong. Click Next to see the next question. You can click the pictures too, so I'll just check.
Bib.
Aha! Then the answer must be... Well, that's enough for now. It's your turn. Log in, read along with the professor, practice the story, answer the quiz, and then play Phontastic while you wait for your teacher.